Hi, hello. In this episode, I will explain the Pythagoras theorem proof. Pythagoras theorem or Baudhayana theorem. This is very most important for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state syllabus. So Pythagoras theorem 4 marks will come to the public examination. Definitely. So very most important question. So once observe here. So what is Pythagoras theorem statement? In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So once again, theorem statement. In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So observe the diagram. Right angle triangle, take right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. So right angle vertex is B. So B is the right angle. Now draw perpendicular line from right angle vertex to its opposite side. That means opposite hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle vertex or right angle. So draw perpendicular line from right angle vertex to its opposite side. BD is the perpendicular line. BD is the perpendicular line. On AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Yes, that is the construction. So ABC is the right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. Next, BD perpendicular to AC. So the basic concept here, is if you draw a perpendicular line, from right angle vertex to its opposite hypotenuse, then the whole triangle ABC will be divided into two right angle triangles. This is the first right angle triangle and this is second right angle triangle. Here the two right angle triangles are similar to the whole triangle ABC. First right angle triangle is similar to the whole triangle ABC. The second right angle triangle also similar to the whole triangle ABC. So then finally here three right angle triangles. So the first right angle triangle is ADB and the second right angle triangle is triangle BDC. And the whole triangle is ABC. Three right angle triangles are similar triangles. Three right angle triangles. That is the basic concept of Pythagoras theorem. Now what is given here? First of all, what is given? So what is given here? In triangle ABC, where is the right angle? Angle B 90 degrees. So in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Angle B 90 degrees. That is given. Right angle triangle is given. Next, what do you prove here? RTP. Required to prove. What do you prove? So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse square means what is hypotenuse? AC square equals to the first side is AB and second side is BC. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so right here hypotenuse square AC square equals to side 1 square AB square plus side 2 square, that means BC square. That is required to prove. Okay, that is we need to prove. That is RTP. Next, okay, construction, a small construction work here. Small construction work. So what is the construction? What is the construction here? Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Okay, so draw BD perpendicular to AC. That is the construction work. Okay, next here, proof. So already we know the basic concept. Okay, first of all we will prove first half triangle, that means first half right angle triangle and the whole triangle. Okay, so first of all we will prove the first half triangle and whole triangle are similar. Okay, so you will show the similar triangles. You will show similar. Okay, so now compare the first half triangle and the whole triangle ABC. First half triangle is ADB, triangle ADB. Okay, and the whole triangle is triangle ABC. Okay, so compare triangle ADB and the whole triangle is triangle ABC. Compare these two triangles. Okay, so compare that. So triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So what values are equal? So either corresponding angles or corresponding sides ratio. Anyone. Okay, so in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, once observe here, angle A is common of both triangles. So in the first triangle, angle A value is equal to the, in the whole triangle, angle A is equal. That means angle A is common angle of both triangles. That means so angle A in the small triangle, angle A equals to the, in whole triangle, angle A equal. So since common angles of both triangles, common angles are equal. Okay, right. Next, select the right angles. Select the right angles. So in the whole triangle, angle B is right angle. In small triangle, first of small triangle, angle D is right angle. Okay, so express that angle. Okay, angle D means angle ADB. It can be expressed as angle ADB equals to the whole, in whole triangle, angle B is okay, angle B is right angle. In small triangle, angle D 90. Okay, in the whole triangle, angle B is 90. So these are right angles. Since right here, right angles are equal. So once observe here, this is okay, corresponding angles are equal. Here also corresponding angles are equal. So by A similarity. So by A similarity, so first triangle ADB. Therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, two triangles are similar triangles by AA similarity rule. Now comparing the CSR. CSR means corresponding sides ratio. Okay, now find the corresponding sides ratio. Okay, first two letters AD by, here first two letters AB equals to the second third letter is BD by, second third letter is BC equals to first and last letter is AB by first and last letter is AC. Okay, so once observe here, take the cross multiplication, we will get the square form. So which ratios are selectable here? So take cross multiplication will get a square. So which ratios are selected here? First ratio and last ratio. Okay, just select here first and last. Just compare that. Just compare that. Okay, this is actually CSR, corresponding sides ratio. Okay, just select the ratios. Yes, do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. So AB into AB means AB square. AB into AB means AB into AB equals to AB square equals to AD into AC. Okay, AD into AC. Just the cross multiplication. AD into AC. AD into AC. So this is equation number 1, suppose. Okay, just select first ratio and last ratio. Just compare that. Next, take the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. AB into AB. AB square equals to AD into AC. That is first equation. Next, the second task is now compare the second right angle triangle, second half right angle triangle, and the whole triangle. Now compare the second half triangle is triangle BDC. Okay, so once observe the order. First half triangle is triangle ADB. Okay, yes, already you are going to the upside. Okay, now come to the downside. That means triangle BDC. Okay, first of all, going to up, triangle BDB, triangle ADB. First half right angle. Order is must and should. The second triangle is triangle. Already you are going to up. So now come to the down. So triangle BDC. That is second half triangle. So compare triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Okay. So form a table. Triangle BDC and triangle ABC. What values are equal here? Okay. Same. One subset. First of all, select the common angle and next compare the right angles. So what is the common angle here? Angle C is common of second triangle and the whole triangle. Second triangle and the whole triangle, common angle is angle C. So angle C equals to angle C. Okay, since common angle. Angle C equals to angle C, common angle. Okay, right? Next. Select the right angles. So what are the right angles here? So in small triangle, triangle BD, angle BDC. Angle BDC, that means angle D right angle. In whole triangle, angle B is right angle. Okay, since right angles are equal. Okay, so by A similarity, first A and this is the second A. So first pair of corresponding angles and second pair of corresponding angles. So by AA similarity, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So two triangles are similar. Triangle BDC is similar to the triangle ABC. Okay. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now find the CSR, corresponding sides ratio. That means BD by AB equals to, okay, first two letters by first two letters. Next, second, third letters are CD by second, third letters are BC equals to first and last letter is BC by AC. Okay, since corresponding sides ratio, CSR. Corresponding sides ratio. Okay, now do the cross multiplication, get the square. We will get the square. Just compare second and third ratios. Just compare the second and third ratios selected just. Okay, BC into BC means BC square equals to CD into AC. BC into BC, BC square equals to CD into AC. This is the second equation. Second equation. So now adding 1 and 2 equations. Add 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2 equations. Add 1 and 2 equations. So what is the first equation? AB square LHS. Second equation LHS is BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square equals to the, okay, so RHS values AD into AC plus CD into AC. Okay, so take AC as the common. In the two terms, once observe, AC is common. AC term is common. Okay, now take the AC common. AC into AC is common. What is the remaining value in the first term? AD. Second term, CD. AD plus CD. AD plus CD. Okay, so AC into AD plus CD value how much? Observe the diagram. AD plus CD means AC. Okay, so AC. So that equals to, okay, AC into AC value, AC square. AC into AC means that, therefore AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Okay, so side 1 square plus side 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. Side 1 square plus side 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. So hence proved. Okay, this is Pythagoras theorem. So very simple. Okay, so just to diagram oriented. First of all, focus in the diagram. So diagram based, each and every step understand that. Okay, so it is based on the concept of basic concept of similar rules, similarity rules. Okay, right. Okay, thank you so much.